Hello everyone, I'm back again with another plug. On today's video guys, I want to plug you in. Please make sure you watch this video until the end as I show you step by step on how to make money with this platform. This platform is called Vestas guys. So I want to show you step by step on how to download this app and start making money with it. Please watch this video until the end as I show you step by step. First of all, I'm just gonna log in on my app and then I'm gonna click confirm. So guys, you're gonna just read everything there, and then after that you will learn somewhere here. Please, when you register, make sure, keep it in mind, they're gonna give you free 38 rand. After registering, they're gonna give you free 38 rand. To register guys, it's simple. You just need your cell phone number. They just need only your cell phone number with your password. Make sure on the cell phone number don't put a zero guys, don't put a zero. Don't put a zero. Start with the numbers, don't put a zero just because they already put it to the zero for you there. So now what you're going to do after logging in on your account, what you need to do first, make sure your account is safe and make sure you already bounded your bank account. Let me show you how everything is done guys, so that I can explain more about the game. As you can see guys, for you to bound, okay, let's go back. Okay, as you can see guys, for you to bound your bank account, you need to land somewhere. Click where they say me, and then after that, when you're done, you will see where they say bind card, and then you're gonna go where they say bound card. So it's up to you which bank you wanna use for withdrawals guys. It's up to you which bank you wanna use. For me, I love using Capitec just because it's fast on withdrawals, but you can use any bank that you feel like using. As you can see, the banks that we have here guys, you can use any bank you feel like using. So for now, you will put your name and then you will put your full name and then you will put your bank name and then enter your bank account, and then you put you're gonna set up your withdrawal security pin guys. Yeah, you make sure you put your withdrawal pin. Make sure you put 6 numbers so that you will be able to access this website guys, so you can be able to like withdraw after putting there guys. So now I'm just gonna click back. So now, okay, now you know how to bind your bank account and also how to put your security. Now you know that, and then now we're gonna go where they say wallets. And then gonna wait for it to load. You're gonna wait for it to load. So as you can see, you can be able to recharge and also to withdraw on this platform by clicking wallet, withdrawal or recharge. It's up to you. If you want to withdraw, you're going to click withdraw. If you want to recharge, you're going to click recharge. So as you can see, a lot of people are participating on this platform and they're making money guys. So you don't need to worry about, okay, they're not going to pay me. No, this website is legit, it's going to pay you. And then as you can see, there are a lot of withdrawals guys. You can just scroll down and see for yourself on this platform. So now that's how to withdraw. Guys, simple. Just click withdraw. After binding your account, it will be simple for you. They're just gonna need your security pin and then put that, and then you'll be able to withdraw the amount that you want. So now I'm gonna show you how to recharge. As you can see, I'm only having 38 rand up there. So to recharge, you're starting from 200 rand. You can just click you can just like choose the amount that you want to recharge and then click deposit, and then it's gonna direct you straight to where you need to click guys. They're gonna just direct you. So you have to know that you need a Capitec app for you to make sure you cash in the money to this platform guys. Use your Capitec app. Make sure you have that on your phone guys. So as you can see, please make an instant payment or immediate payment or a pay and clear now payment. Do not choose regular payment. As you can see there guys, here is the information that you're going to need on your Capitec app. You just copy everything guys. Here, make sure you copy everything. The bank name already is Capitec, the branch code already you have that, and the account type is saving account. Recipient is Mr. M Zondani. That's simple as that. You're gonna click copy, and then account, you're gonna put this account number, and the reference you're gonna put this, so that your money won't be lost guys. Make sure you put everything here on your Capitec bank account. Make sure you also recharge the exact amount. It's 200. Make sure you recharge the exact amount so that it can work for you. Also there's a time that they put it. There's a time up there, as you can see, 5:30. Now it's 5:30, 5:29. Make sure you make use of this time, just because it's going to help you to make sure you are faster. Make sure you watch the time before processing this withdrawal, guys. This recharge, not the withdrawal, I'm sorry. Make sure you check the time, just because if you run out of time, you won't pass the recharge, guys. So now I'm just gonna click back. It's simple, guys, to deposit, guys, on this platform. I'm just gonna click back for now and then explain the benefits of using Vesta's app, guys. I'm just gonna explain to you step by step what you need to do to make money, guys, on this platform, guys. So now I'm just gonna click back and then I'm gonna click back again. Okay, for now I'm just gonna go where they say found. I'm gonna go where they say found, and then as you can see, you can just read for yourself, guys. Here, I don't want to make this video long. You can just read everything, guys, so that you can understand this platform. Okay, guys, as you can see, here are the funds that you need to get for you to start making money, guys. So it's up to you which one you want to use, but my recommendation is you go for this one for 500 if you don't have money. But if you have money, you can just go for the highest one so that you can make more money, guys. So guys, as you can see, the funds that we have, guys, here, number one, this one is for 500, and then it's working for 3 days, and the daily interest is 5%, guys. So you can just go where they say product description and read more about this product, how much money you're going to make about this product. And then if you want to know more about the funds, you're gonna click where they say about funds, and then watch the video, guys. Watch the video. They're gonna explain to you, and then they're gonna give you fund advantages, and then like the benefits, guys, about this app, guys. You can just go on the way where they say about funds, and then you get everything there and understand this platform, guys. So if you are in this platform, you can be able to learn more things on this platform, just because they have everything, as I showed you how to bind your bank account and how to recharge. I hope you understand, and how you can get those products. So guys, you can go and read, and then you understand the app. And also, to get an app and download it on your phone so that you can register again, you're gonna click where they say get the app. After clicking my link on my description and registering, if you want to get an app, you can just come here and then click where they say get the app, and then boom, you will be done getting your app to your phone, and then you're going to log in. After doing that, you'll be good to go. If you have questions, you can come where they say chat, and then chat with the agent, guys. You can chat with the agent. They're gonna explain to you, or if there's something that you don't understand, you can just tell them, and then they're gonna assist you as soon as possible, guys.